Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a print statement from PyCharm, or the language is gonna be in Python. Um, so first we're gonna start off with print, and so you want to print off like use quotation marks and just put in like hello. I'm gonna put my name in there, and close it off. Next print will be quotation part. How are you? Next print would be thank you for asking. And then you guys want to run this. And well, let's run hello actually. So we're gonna run hello, and this is the outcome. And also could work with simple operations, so you guys know what's 1 plus 5, or what's 2 minus 10, and then print off 10 divided by 5. So you guys gonna see a huge calculation done by PyCharm, and we're gonna switch it over to the next program. As you guys can see, this is the results, and you guys see this is 2.0 because when it divides, it calculates it as a decimal. That's it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.